The Middle East is once again at the center of global attention as tensions continue to escalate between Iran, Israel, and the United States. Over the past several days, the situation has developed rapidly, with reports of airstrikes, missile launches, and drone interceptions across multiple areas in the region. Military analysts say the current situation reflects one of the most serious escalations in recent years. Both sides appear to be relying heavily on advanced military technologies, including drones, long-range missiles, and sophisticated air defense systems. Iranian military officials and the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps have stated that their air defense systems have intercepted and destroyed a number of foreign drones operating near Iranian territory. According to Iranian state-linked reports, the number of downed drones has exceeded 80. However, it is important to understand that these numbers are based on Iranian official statements. At this time, international media organizations and independent observers have not fully verified these figures. In conflicts like this, military claims from both sides are often difficult to confirm immediately. At the same time, Western officials have acknowledged that some American drones have been lost during operations in the region. Reports mention the possibility that several MQ-9 Reaper drones were either shot down or damaged while operating near Iranian airspace or in nearby maritime areas. The MQ-9 Reaper is a highly advanced unmanned aerial vehicle used for surveillance and precision operations. Because of its strategic importance, any loss of such drones draws significant attention from military experts and analysts. Beyond Iran and the United States, other countries in the region have also reported defensive military actions. For example, authorities in Qatar have stated that their air defense systems intercepted multiple incoming threats. According to official statements from Qatari sources, 2 Iranian aircraft were reportedly shot down within their airspace during the confrontation. Again, like many wartime reports, these claims come primarily from official sources and have not yet been independently verified by multiple international observers. Meanwhile, Israeli airstrikes targeting Iranian military infrastructure have caused visible damage in several locations. Some strikes reportedly targeted energy-related facilities and military installations. Images and videos circulating online have shown large fires and thick smoke rising above parts of Tehran and surrounding industrial areas. Experts warn that attacks on oil infrastructure could also create environmental risks, including toxic smoke and potential air quality problems for nearby residents. The conflict is not only affecting military operations, but is also beginning to influence global energy markets. Iran is a major player in the global oil supply chain, and any instability in the region often leads to immediate reactions in financial and commodity markets. Following the escalation, global oil prices experience noticeable fluctuations. Analysts say that investors are closely watching the situation because prolonged instability in the Gulf region could disrupt shipping routes, oil production, and energy exports. Beyond the economic impact, the conflict is also taking a human toll. American defense officials have confirmed that several U.S. service members were killed during military operations connected to the escalating tensions. Reports indicate that at least 7 U.S. troops have died, highlighting the seriousness of the situation. Such losses often intensify political pressure and public debate within countries involved in the conflict. Military casualties can quickly influence diplomatic decisions, military strategy, and international negotiations. World leaders and international organizations have expressed growing concern about the possibility that the conflict could spread further across the region. Diplomatic representatives from several countries have called for restraint and have warned that continued escalation could threaten international stability. Energy security, global trade routes, and regional alliances could all be affected if the conflict expands beyond its current scope. At this stage, One of the biggest challenges for journalists and analysts is verifying the large number of claims being made by different parties. In modern conflicts, information spreads rapidly through social media, official government channels, and international news networks. However, independent verification often takes time. Satellite imagery, intelligence analysis, and reports from multiple international observers are usually required before claims can be confirmed with certainty. Because of this, many figures currently circulating, such as the exact number of drones shot down, aircraft destroyed, or missile interceptions, should be understood as claims made by the parties involved, rather than fully confirmed global facts. Despite the uncertainty surrounding some reports, one thing is clear: the situation remains highly volatile. Military forces across the region remain on high alert, and governments around the world are closely monitoring every development. Financial markets, defense analysts, and diplomatic institutions are all watching the unfolding events carefully, as even a small shift in the conflict could have significant global consequences. For now, the world continues to observe how this complex and dangerous situation will evolve in the coming days. The developments in the Middle East are not only shaping regional security, but could also influence global politics, economic stability, and international diplomacy for years to come.